As humans, we continually strive to develop ourselves along with the land around us. Unfortunately, sometimes it's not to our benefit in the long run. For example, deforestation in any area can cause changes in precipitation, especially in Houston, Texas. Back in 2011, Houston experienced an unusual sequence of weather events, from having 19-degree freezing rain to the next month having 80-degree weather. In the year 2011, Houston, Texas, according to the article, experienced one of the most worst droughts in the state's history, end quote. Severe droughts in certain areas will most likely mean less often but more heavy rains and the longer and more frequent droughts as well. The city of Houston is only 50 feet above sea level downtown and is relatively flat. When heavy rain hits the area, there is a much greater chance of flooding in this area, which can be dangerous for the locals who live in that area. As suggested in the article, one solution to help Houston with this problem is to restore wetlands and prairies to help hold water. Wetlands are a natural water filter which will be able to get the sediments out of it. They also act like a sponge, quickly absorb the water and then slowly releases it.